So the other day I was at In-N-Out with my brother, and while we were eating, I really had to sneeze. And like I couldn't. It was terrible. So my brother told me that what I should do is look at a light. So I did. And for like 5 whole minutes at In-N-Out, my face was like this. Yeah, it did not work for me. But I looked it up, and apparently some people are genetically programmed to sneeze when they look up at a bright light or the sun. I feel sorry for them. Anyway, I also looked up other tips on how to help yourself sneeze, and I thought I would share them with you guys. Some of them are kind of tips on sneezing. So the number 1 tip is to tickle your nose with like a piece of tissue. Let me demonstrate it for you. So you take a piece of like tissue paper, and then you roll it up kind of like at the end, and then you stick it up your nose. Okay, maybe that does work. Number 2 is to place your hand on a cold surface. No, that doesn't work either. Okay, this should work. Like, to take a whiff of spices, I have some Italian seasoning here, value priced. So fancy. Okay, here goes nothing. Damn it. Okay, let's try the weird ones. Put your head in the freezer? Okay, so there's a tip that says if you pluck any facial or like nose hair. No, that doesn't work. That's just weird. There's this one, and it says, this one's really interesting. Place your tongue on the roof of your mouth, okay, and send me a nude picture while you're. This is the wrong side. Hold on. Well, anyway, there you have it. If you're ever so desperate that you had to look up a video for it, I got you. Try them out and tell me about them in the comments. What works for you? God, that smells amazing. That smells like Eat, Pray, Love. Subscribe!